So you've got this great idea. You want to do affiliate marketing online and you want to build this amazing online business that generates a revenue for you. And now you're thinking, okay, where do I start and what products do I start to affiliate myself with in order to be building online and making a significant income? In today's video, we're going to be talking about what type of products you can affiliate yourself with and where you're going to find these such products. And so the first thing that I want you to realize is there's two different types of affiliate programs, right? We have what we call high ticket affiliate programs, which are higher price points, right? Sometimes they could be courses, they could be software, they can be high ticket affiliate programs. And then we have low ticket affiliate programs, which are obviously a lower price point, right? And we're going to be talking about a little bit later in this video what to be looking for when you're trying to find an affiliate offer. What are some of the pros and the cons, and which type of affiliate offers you want to dive into that are going to give you the most revenue. But first, let's talk about these high ticket affiliate programs. They are amazing, right? You could sell a $1,000 course and maybe you get 50% commission, or in some cases, people will give you 100% commission. And that is a sure sale of a significant amount of money, right? Now, that is great for high ticket affiliate programs, right? But the downside of high ticket affiliate programs is it's going to be a harder sale, so to speak. Not everybody is going to be able to plop down $1,000 on something for you to earn a high ticket price. So then we have these low ticket affiliate programs, which a lot of times are products that you would find online, or sometimes some services that you would find online, and that's going to be a lower ticket and sometimes a lower percentage in terms of your commission. So you're not going to be making as much, but you're going to be selling a significant amount more because it's a lower ticket price point. So what I would suggest is when you're doing your affiliate, you want to make sure that you diversify, so to speak, some of your affiliate offers and have some high ticket programs as some low ticket programs. And if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, I'm going to link for you right over here my video on how to get started with affiliate marketing, right? To kind of learn, the ins and the outs of affiliate marketing. And I'll link that right over here for you so you can check that out after this video. But the second thing that you need to do is you need to figure out what is your niche, right? How do you want to show up on social media, and what type of brand do you want to create so that you can attract your audience? And so what I like to say is, what are some of your passions, right? What is something that you could talk about for a half an hour? It lights a fire underneath you and you need absolutely no planning. Because if you want to do affiliate marketing, you've got to bring people to you so that they can actually see your offer and see the products and services that you are promoting, right? And the way you do that is through social media and building a brand for yourself. Now, affiliate marketing is fantastic in terms of creating content and putting out value for your audience, and then you're driving that audience to whatever it is you're talking about. So for example, pet supplies is an amazing affiliate offer. There are so many different programs out there for pet supplies, right? So you could be doing, an affiliate offer for Chewy, and every time you talk about products, you would use your Chewy affiliate link, and people would then go and buy the product, right? Or maybe you're really into cooking and you want to start offering different types of recipes and different types of tools that you would use for cooking. All of that can be possible with your niche in your brand and putting together an affiliate offer, all right? And Kitly is a great place, I'll link it in the description of this video, is a great place to kind of put together all of your affiliate offers and send them out. It's kind of like a dresser drawer of all your different affiliate offers that you could have. So you could have like all your cooking and gadgets in one little thing that you could send your audience, and then they could go and look. And I'm not even an affiliate of Kitly, but I absolutely love it, and I'll link it in the description of this bio. Now, where do you find the different programs for affiliate offers, right? So a lot of times when you start to build this brand, people will come to you, but you need to be a little bit more proactive at the same time. And so there are great places. Amazon is one of the most popular affiliate programs because, let's be honest, Amazon has everything that you need. The downside of Amazon is that their commission structure is very, very low. It's about 3 to 5% per order that somebody gets for you, right? ClickBank is another great affiliate program, and it's kind of a conglomerate of all different types of affiliates. And so you register yourself with ClickBank, and then you've got access to multiple different brands that you could then go and link and create a URL for. So ClickBank is one of them, and then CJ Affiliates is another company that I absolutely love. But again, if you're going to be, let's say you're into cooking, right? Then you could go and find some courses on cooking and ask to be an affiliate of their course, and then you could promote somebody else's cooking course, or Pampered Chef, or Blue Apron, and become an affiliate of those type of things that you could then go and offer your audience because you're really into cooking, okay? And then it looks like you reaching out to companies, asking them if they have an affiliate program, and then you signing up, and then bam, you're putting out the content, right? It's very easy. It links to your bank account, and sometimes it pays out within like 30 days, 15 days. Every program is a little bit different. But what I challenge you to look for when you're looking for an affiliate program is you want to look for a few things. First of all, you want to look for how much commission are they going to be giving you, right? It could go anywhere from like 3% like Amazon, which is obviously very low, up to 100%, right? So you want to look at the percentage of commission that you're going to earn based on that product or service, or whatever it is that you are offering. The second thing that you want to look at is, what is the cookie duration? So when somebody clicks on your link, how long will they be cookied to your affiliate link before it disappears, and then you're not going to earn credit from it, right? And that's, some are 15 days, some are 30 days, some are 5 days, right? And so you want to look at that when you're looking at promoting different things, is how long does that customer, because a lot of times we know customers will click on something, then they're linked to your affiliate offer, and then they come back maybe a week later or 2 weeks later when it catches their mind again and they're ready to purchase. Are they still linked to you, or did that reset and now you're not going to earn the commissions based on that? So that's something else that you want to look at. Now, the other thing that I strongly urge you is, do you get the lifetime duration of your affiliate, right? So meaning, does that person, once they reorder again, if they order that product or services, do you get paid again on their order, or is it, like I say, one and done? And what I'm going to link at the end of this video is an affiliate program that I have found that builds a little bit different. It's a clean living company, and it builds a little different in that you get the lifetime value of your customer, and they are cookie to you, and you can earn up to 36% commission. Doesn't matter if they've ordered one time or 100 times. And so I'm going to link that at the end of this video so you can check out what I have found to be a really good affiliate program. If you're into clean living, if you're into beauty, it's a great, or health and wellness and fitness, it's a great affiliate program that just continues to pay you over and over for the lifetime value of that customer, which a lot of affiliate programs don't do. And earning up to 36% commission is very high for an affiliate offer. And in the description of this video, I'm going to put a link for you and I to chat if you are interested in learning more about Modere, the affiliate program that I strongly promote over here, because it has given me the, that affiliate income that has checked all of the boxes that I'm looking for when it comes to an affiliate offer. But like I said, there's multiple different affiliate offers that you want to have as part of your brand, all right? And hey, if this has been helpful, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and make sure you like this video so that I know that it has provided value for you, and that you share it out so that your friends too can start to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing.